How to change display name in Outlook. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to change your display name in Outlook. Let's get started. First, make sure you are logged in into your Outlook account. Then, at the top right corner, click on your profile icon. You will see your current display name. After that, click on My Profile. You will be redirected to your Microsoft account page where you can view your full name. Next, click on Edit Name, type your new desired display name, and enter the captcha code for security verification. After that, click Save when you're done. Then, wait a few moments for the changes to process. Your display name should now be updated, both in your Microsoft account and in Outlook. And that's it. You have successfully changed your display name in the new Outlook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.